Hello YouTube, this is my Corsair 650D. This is recently built. This was inspired by Mr. Overclock3D.net Tom. So because of all his reviews from this case, so it was inspired by him that I would do my case, and he made me bought this one because of all his honest review. I liked it. Then because this case was all I have, I think suits everything that I need to put in. And because of the top part, as you can see, the top part in here, I want to water cool my system, so I use the 240 radiator from EK, as you it's inside in there, EK XT240, and I use the enermax 120mm white fan. And by this part, because I use this is the Hitachi 320 gig external hard drive, so I bought this a long time ago. Then I just utilize it, and I don't have any HDD for storage. And this one is the OCZ SSD Vertex 2, and it's purely the OS part, so everything that runs on my computer I put all in here. Windows 7 Home Premium. And for the front panel, as you can see, this is my optical drive, Samsung Blu-ray combo DVD, and my XSPC is also a combo from a reservoir and a pump. Then a scythe 6-fan controller. And tell you honestly, this is my first build, and I'm not even a computer technician or anything. I just I just collect some information, knowledge about building a computer. So it's a modern age now. It's just like a Lego. Just see all the compatibilities, the do's and don'ts, then do it. And you must have the pure heart to do it, because sometimes if you got a faint of heart, you can't do it. Because I know building a computer is still expensive. If there's something wrong while you're doing it, it's gonna be a big trouble for you. So you have to RMA it again, and I think it's really trouble. So I'll just take out this side panel so you can see what's inside. Let's click on in here. As you can see there, the radiator EK. So I'll just turn off this light so that you could see it clearly. That looks much better. So I got in here the Corsair Vengeance 16 gig. So some people say it's 8 gig, or it's not. 16 gig is too much, it's overkill. So it's for me, because I got it as just a discount from Scan, so I got it. And my system is also water cooled, as you can see. The parts is from CNC. I don't know what. I just search it in the computer, in the internet, online buying, and I've got here the swiftech apogee water block, and the system got the i7 26K, the unlocked one, and it's not even overclocked yet, so I'm still studying the board on how to do it. And I hope Mr. Tom do me a favor just to do it, how the properly way to do it, because I don't want to have any problems with it. And as of here are my crossfire configuration with MSI Twin Frozer 3 Lightning. And the butt part from this motherboard, they say it's the P67. UD7 is the king, because of the best part of it is the 2x copper, and also the build of the motherboard is good, gonna be last long. But the bad part is the two PCI through PCI X times 16 slots is too near with each other. As you can see, it's just like it's impacted, and there's no enough what do you call airflow inside it, and the top part is just too hot. I don't have any benchmarks as of now how it runs, so later on I'm gonna show you some benchmarks. And I got the TX950 and it's a non-modular one. As you can see, all the wires are all messed up, but I think I'm just managed it to clean. And that's my inside of my rig, and that's my system. So to show you the whole package of my rig. And here is my Rat 7 from scythe, and it's former the Mad Cats who did it, and then Cyborg, I think so, build it and produce it. We got the name on it, and the Goliathus Razer control edition. It's not the speed edition, it's control edition. It's the standard size. I think it's the medium size. And I've got in here the normal Logitech, because as you can see I used to mouse, because this one, because I use it for Dota. I'm a Filipino, so I'm a fan also of Dota. As you know, many Filipinos really love to play Dota, because it's too much to click for by left clicking, and I don't want to destroy this one because it's quite expensive for me. As you can see, I just work hard to get this one, and I just use the normal one, so that anytime how much you click on it, and even you get mad, it's like it banging everywhere. It's okay. And I've got this one, my roccat apuri. It's quite good. It looks nice. That's why I bought it. It's just like scorpion. And then in here, my K8 8100 gigabyte. So just because of the looks, it complements with my mouse. It nearly looks my mouse, so that's why I got this board. It's pure aesthetics, so that's why I got this. And the last thing is my Razer Nostromo. This one, I use it for FPS games. So Call of Duty, everything. So I use it purely for FPS, and it's fully configurable for macros. And also this one, it got some macro keys in here for my keyboard. So if you got play for MMORPG, you could use it. It's perfectly for World of Warcraft if you play World of Warcraft. So I don't play that game. Then this is my monitor, 120 Hz, and I don't use it for 3D. I just purely use it for 120 Hz. So because of these two video cards, so I'll try to the limit. What's the limit of this one? So as of now, I think it's quite nice. It's really nice. So that's it. That's my rig, and for my sound system, it's all in here. It's connected from my computer. As you can see, all the more wires. It's horrible. So it's just, I just built it for how many months? I want just a month now. So I would have the time to fix it, everything, and tack it in place. Looks clean. So if I work time, because I work a lot, I don't have any just full time to just base everything for the whole day just to clean this one. So I would just time allotment for this one, so I will clean everything. Okay, this is the looks of my rig. Thank you, and thank you Mr. Tom for the honest review, and bye bye.